We gotta get these guys. What? Are you guys gonna skate or what? You just laying on the ground, sleeping on the job? I don't even... Gotta get these guys. What? Are you guys gonna skate or what? You just laying on the ground, sleeping on the job? Come on! Come on! We gotta skate. We just gotta skate. We gotta skate it. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on. Here's what you gotta do. Somebody just gotta stand right here, okay? Just roll this way. Like you're just going like this. You're just pushing normal. You're just cruising, you know? All right.
I wasn't prepared for that. You put them on the freaking ring.
Was it scary?
It's just like a lot of like force.
Come check out our amazing construction over here.
That's sick.
Whoa!
Is this called the Oozmobile?
Oh!
I apologize. I'm a little excited here.
All right, Chris about to air.
Yeah, that thing's insane. I need to land it though.
Come on, Ricky Ice, let's get this rolling.
Yeah. Dude, I want to do it.
I wish there was an easier way to get this thing back. Wait, what more do you need? It already has wheels on it. Yeah, valid point.
It kind of hits you hard, so you got to be ready for it, you know? It's kind of scary though, because Uzi's the one conducting it, so you never know what's going to happen.
Full standing still, ramp comes in super hot and just like all the way off the
Yeah.
I know we're already excited, but can we ramp this up a little bit? I'm probably gonna decline from this point on.
That almost launched me into laughter.
This video is gonna be really moving. Dude, I know what he's saying with a lot of force.
Did I do it right?
No, it's not like a manual. All right, what if we got Elon Musk to put a jet engine on a skate box for us and then launch it at someone going like 700 miles an hour?
That person will get bodied 100%. Just be ready because it's gonna there's a lot of impact.
It looked like you were about to backflip right there. What the? I was gonna ask if you need some help, but it looks like you got a handle. Let's go!
Bro, what?
Oh my god!
I felt like I stopped in the air. Like
That was crazy. I got a crazy video of it.
that's Mowgli for you.
That was insane. Because the ramp's curving as well.
Oh, Chris, you remember Beyond Slow Motion? When you were on the truck and it took off and you stayed in the same spot as the truck drove away? That's exactly what it was.
Yeah, similar.
Skate physics.
Skate physics. We out here.
Hey, Mowgli, if you're gonna be stopping it, I just want you to be careful.
Okay, I'll stop it.
All right.
Yeah. I think I know what to do. I just got to be really light. Test 002. I got to lean a little bit more forward and just try to really just make it up.
Oh, what happened?
Hojan! Yeah.
What happened?
Nice.
Body!
The impact, I feel like it's less curvy now. But let's like get you lined up and we'll pull it straight back.
360.
It's just kind of scary because that's a important piece to this puzzle. We can't just throw a mega ramp straight at our friend.
Test 004. Dude, that was wild. You see how I rolled fakie as well, like
Yeah.
the truck guy was saying?
My favorite thing was Mowgli Spider-Man leaping onto it.
I still rolled away.
That felt good though. That felt comfortable now with a bit more speed.
It sounds horrifying.
Oh, okay, so I went sideways.
You kind of almost popped. Dude, that was actually crazy. That's amazing.
You know, you're on a train, the train's rolling, you jump up in the air, you're just going up and down, but you're actually going really fast to the side. And the world's spinning, Mowgli, the earth is spinning.
All right, Ricky, let's make like a bobber and get you lined up. And we're gonna send Ricky to space.
All I know is he told me to go as hard as possible and just let it all out. You know what that means. I'm gonna scream my heart out and I'm gonna launch it.
Bro, that looks so scary. I tried to go up, but then I started going backwards. Test trial number 005.
Started the method. We're going with this big guy on the left corner and the other big guy on the right corner and the medium guy right in the middle. So I give it the extra.
You were the buffest right in the middle.
Just because I got a puffy jacket on don't mean I'm buff. I'll leave it at
3, 2, 1, go! You got me in the arm shin.
I stopped it. You gotta have faith in me. I'm stopping it. I have faith in you.
Thank you.
Going great, I'm leaning forward, but then the speed starts losing, and then I start going like back or whatever, you know? It's like when you go to the beach and you go surfing or swimming or whatever, and you swim out, and then the wave, you see it in the distance, and then it's just coming at you, and you're like, all right, I'm gonna go over it. It's so like reminiscent of that. And there's no
They keep pushing right until this point of view.
We had it! Oh, we went backwards! 0-10, not even 0-0-10. Out here in the double digits.
Okay, imagine trying to bone this.
That would be so good.
If Ricky's doing a standing still, can I do one with 1 or 2 foot? Yes, you can.
0-1-1. It's gonna be the make. Sometimes it takes 11 shots. I think this would be the make, to be honest, Gabe.
We are here. Experiment 0-1-1. Is everyone ready? We're good to go. In 3, 2, 1, go. right, Uzi, I know you've wanted to do this moving the entire time, so what are your predictions? What do you think is going to happen with the physics of this attempt?
I mean, with me, you know, you never know.
All right, how was that? Was that everything you expected?
Yeah, it was more force than I thought, but I could do it. So equal and opposite reaction, right? So if Uzi's rolling fast enough forward, then when the wheels stop and push him back, it will cancel it out so he can just cruise.
Oh, you stayed perfectly still.
That was
Pretty
sick.
still. That was perfect.
All right, this is a control test, right? So he's gonna ollie in, and then when he puts his force here, it pushes it that way. So we're gonna see how far it moves and how fast it moves. Then next time, I'm gonna push it, and then he's gonna cancel it out and it will stop. Let's take some notes right here. I'm ready. You reckon you can ollie in while it's going that way? We were a tiny bit out, but that fully like did what we were saying.
Wow.
You see what I mean? It just dead stop.
That's incredible how that's happening. Didn't even move.
Okay, cool.
Not one bit.
It was manual? That feels so crazy. Oh! Haven't you been wanting to do this like forever?
No, I want to put a ramp at the front of a car.
This is all about physics, right?
Yes.
I can only stay on there for so long.
Yep.
So got to be in and out real quick.
Rapid feet.
Low pop. Dude, this is so much fun. I want to build a whole skate park, put them on wheels, put them on motors, go out there, and then you just go burn, and then all the obstacles come at you and you just go.
And if you ollie up and he rocks the fakie, then the momentum will just cancel out right in the middle and it won't move at all. Theoretically, it should stay still. Leave it in the comments below.
Gonna be rocking around the clock tonight.
Oh,
It's just a science project, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm gonna just sit here and observe the science project.
Exactly. Hey, you gotta make an observation in every science project.
You're 100% correct.
No, Chris, no.
The ramp got body.
No.
It'll buff out, it's fine.
Oh, a huge thanks to Uzi for making us this amazing moving ramp. This was another fantastic episode of Skate Experiments. If you want to see us build something crazy, do something insane, and experiment with the beautiful thing that is skateboarding, let us know in the comments below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And we want you to learn how to skateboard. We have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.